Hello everybody, we are here at the Sugar Factory in downtown Miami Beach. Ocean Drive, Sugar Factory, famous restaurant, lots of famous celebrities. We just saw a couple walk by. We don't know who they were, but I'm pretty sure they were famous because they look super rich. But there's a lot of celebrities.
More famous than us.
They look more famous than us. But lots of great stuff here. So we're going to check out this restaurant and we're going to get some awesome drinks, awesome food, awesome desserts. So stay tuned. All right, here we are. We're about to head into the Sugar Factory and get some delicious drinks, delicious food, delicious desserts. We're going to check it out. It's going to be a lot of fun. A lot of celebs hang out here, so we'll check it out. Yeah, it's pretty empty right now. There's not a lot of people here. I mean, it is a weekday, but there's not like a ton of people. Let me just give a quick look at it. Yeah, Sugar Factory, check it out. This is a cool little spot here. This is where they make all the desserts, a lot of the pastries and things like that. It's pretty cool. Look at all the candy jars and stuff. It's pretty cool. I see some s'mores back there. Making me really hungry. Here's one of the bars right here. Check it out. It's kind of cool. Cool spot happening here. This is the upstairs area. Pre-COVID, this place was popping right here. Really crowded. We were talking with some of the people that worked here. So it's like super not crowded right now because of COVID. A lot of the seating has actually been moved outdoors. So a lot of people don't even sit indoors here anymore. Oh, yeah. Check it out.
Thank you so much.
Thanks. Let's talk about that drink. Did you just see her pour that drink? I mean, check this monster. Oh my, I can't even hold it. It's so cold. I'm afraid to even touch it.
It's $45, which seems like a lot.
40.
Well, it is a lot.
Yeah.
But it's huge. Like, it's enormous.
Let's check this bad boy out here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to lift.
I feel like she was like.
I don't know who she was.
famous
She was
person's
probably
wife or something.
famous, beautiful,
Some
amazing,
basketball
awesome
player.
person. Who knows? Whatever.
He just has me.
I have the hottest girl. I have the most beautiful girl
Nice
here.
try. Nice try. Way to walk it back. Way to walk it back.
Whatever. Sugar Factory. We got the tropical fruit punch drink. This is $45.
It's Snoop Dogg's.
It's tasted and confirmed and made by Snoop Dogg. Okay, our little
Wait, I
candies
like
are starting
that.
to fall in there. So let me just there you go. But so listen to what's in this
I like
thing.
gummies.
Oh my gosh, that tasted so good.
It did.
I mean, I know it's just a piece of candy, but it tasted so good. So listen.
He has to read it because this is the worst.
I gotta read it. It ain't
Show him
happening.
the menu.
But listen, look at all this.
You can't read that.
Like-
No normal person can read that. He has like 20/20 vision.
I have 2013 vision actually. Thank you very much. Better
Like,
than
I have no
2020.
idea what that says.
People are like 2013. I have better than 2020 vision. Anyway, this drink looks amazing. We're about to taste it, but let me tell you what's in it first. So
I don't even know.
we got the watermelon patch is like their big ticket item. If she doesn't like watermelon, I would have been down for the watermelon, but she was like no. So we skipped the watermelon patch. Instead, we got the tropical fruit punch. So listen to what's in this. Strawberry rum. First of all, I didn't even know there was such a thing as strawberry rum.
I like strawberry.
I love rum. I love strawberry. What's not to like? Strawberry rum, a tequila, also peach, pineapple, tropical candy drops, gummy twin cherries, sour peach fruit slices.
Oh, I just want to eat the candy.
It sounds awesome. Designed and tasted by Snoop Dogg. So, I mean, you can't go wrong. There's drinks on here that were designed and tasted by Bruno Mars, Pitbull. You've got Kendall Jenner in here. I mean, there's all kind of crazy drinks here.
We chose Snoop Dogg, and who's going to
We chose Snoop. We chose Snoop because Snoop was in Pitch Perfect too. Just saying. But this sounded like an amazing drink. So let's give it a go. I want to try it. It was a $45 drink. Holy hand grenade at the Antioch. But look at this thing.
Like, we normally
it's like a fishbowl of drink, and there's all this like crazy bubbling.
It's still bubbling.
For what is it? Dried ice in it? I don't know, but it looks good. I'm gonna give it a rip.
Have a straw. There's 2 straws.
I think we made the right choice. Let's just say that.
Like
Give it a rip. Give it a rip. I can't feel my hand anymore because I touched the bowl.
It's good. I don't even taste alcohol. Do you?
What's it taste like? I don't taste alcohol.
It tastes like fruit punch.
It tastes like. No, I don't think it tastes.
Pineapple fruit punch.
I don't think it tastes like fruit punch at all, but it tastes like pineapple. I taste
fruit
pineapple.
punch.
Pineapple and orange. I don't know, but it's got it's got carbonation to it. I like the vibe of this place. It's cool. Hey Kim, Miss Kardashian, if you could just keep it down over there, that would be great. We're trying to do a video. Kim, Kendall.
Anyway, this Cajun chicken pasta, I get Cajun chicken pasta at Chili's, and I haven't had Chili's in forever.
But honestly, the food prices here are very reasonable.
Yeah, what was the food? It wasn't that
drink
much.
prices were expensive,
Yeah,
but this is a
it's
huge
huge.
amount of drink.
It's huge.
But the food prices are reasonable. This penne Alfredo that we got the chicken penne Alfredo to share because we're gonna get dessert too. The Cajun chicken penne Alfredo was only $26.
Yeah, it's not bad, and there's a lot.
Check this out.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
I'm excited.
Oh, it smells amazing too. It's got this like crostini bread on it. Let's give it a rip.
I get 3/4 of that crostini.
I'll get one small bite and then she'll get the rest. I'm gonna try just the chicken here. Look at that chicken there. Oh, it looks bussin'.
I like this. I like the flavor.
I like it. It's good.
The question is this better than Chili's chicken Alfredo? Cajun chicken Alfredo.
I don't think so. I don't think it's any better.
It is good.
It's good, though.
I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat a lot of it.
I don't think people really come here for the food.
No, I don't
I think
think
they
so
come here
either.
for the drinks.
Yeah.
and
They
the
have a lot of
dessert.
burgers, don't they?
Yeah.
And I love burgers. Well, I was kind of in the mood for pasta.
But the pasta's good though. I mean, I first of all,
very good.
I like it a lot. I love
Me
it.
too.
It's actually really good.
I
I would
like the
order. I would
texture.
order this again 100%. It's really
I like
good.
the texture of it. I like the flavor. Our waitress is really good. I forget her name. I think it was Ashley. And I'll tell you when I look at it again. She's like, you guys are super annoying and filming, but she will she doesn't act like it's annoying at all. She just stands off in the distance and is like, is everything okay? And like, are you guys ready to order? Like she's super sweet and really good. Don't you think?
She's used to celebrities like us.
You're not celebrities.
You should let other people tell you you're celebrities.
You should.
It's good. I mean, we knew we were in trouble. So, there was a group of ladies sitting right next to us. And they had like 4 little girls or 5 little girls that were
Yeah.
like, I'd say
They're super cute.
the girls were like between the ages of like 7 and 12.
Yeah.
And they all had Apple Watches on.
And like $45 drinks each.
So we knew that like we were like the poor people in the restaurant, but whatever.
I was like, my kids would have been sharing the drink with us.
And here we are, you know, YouTube celebrities.
We're not.
Hello. Hi, all 4 people that watch this video.
YouTube celebrities don't drop food on their leg like I just did.
Whatever.
We should probably drink the $45
Yeah, let's
drink.
switch to the drink.
The food is so good though, I keep eating it.
I feel like this is
Okay.
better than the Chili's. And I keep eating it more and more, and I'm like, I feel like this is better than Chili's.
Let me try it again.
I really dig the drink though. I want to get some. Whoa! I want to get some of the jellies out of there. They look really. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, give me one of those. I don't know why they have the busted paper straws. Eco environmental friendly. I'm all for it, but
we are drinking every $45 of this drink. Eating the ice, the gummies.
Gummies good. Oh ho ho! I got cherries here.
Is there another one?
We got one drink to share, one meal to share, and we're gonna get one dessert to share.
Yeah.
I feel like that's the best way to go, reasonably priced. And honestly, if we would have each gotten a drink and a meal and a dessert, it's too much.
I don't even know.
It would just went to waste.
I don't even know. Show them. I don't even know that we're gonna eat the whole meal, and it's so good. We've eaten a lot of it.
I'm already getting
I'm
full.
gonna eat more of it, but it's pretty big.
It's surprisingly refreshing.
It is. It's very good.
The pineapple and the orange and the carbonation, I didn't even know there was carbonation in it. I taste no alcohol in it whatsoever.
Yeah,
And I know it's in there. I know it's in there.
Yeah, it just tastes like
But like it's mixed so well with all these flavors that you don't even notice it. So like if you're not a fan of like the flavor of alcohol, this is a great drink for you because you don't even taste it. Either that or we paid $45 for a non-alcoholic beverage. They have this like DJ booth right here where there would be a DJ playing, a lot of cool music. Check it out, we got the Kardashians hanging out here. Got John Travolta. So a lot of different celebrities that have hung out here. We've got Goldberg down there in the corner.
I didn't even know who that was.
Look what we got right there. Lexi, Weena would like her right there.
Oh gosh.
We got Snooki.
I will remind her of Snooki.
We got Snooki right there. So a lot of different celebrities hang out here. They come here. Look, we got Pharrell Williams there. Lisa Vanderpump. Oh, look right there in the bottom right-hand corner.
J-Lo.
You see him? Down there? What's his name?
Oh, Jonathan.
Jonathan. We got Jonathan down there.
He went to me at the fashion show.
John, what?
Blew me a kiss.
What?
That's the guy who blew me a kiss a week to me at the fashion show
Yeah.
in New York.
So in New York City, we saw Jonathan.
Famous.
We actually met Jonathan and Zendaya and a few other people at a New York fashion show, and Jonathan blew her a kiss and said how beautiful and gorgeous she was and loved her fashion. So we got that going for us. Courtney is dissing him for Travis Barker, she said. Kim Kardashian. We got Ice Cube. So yeah, this is like a cool, cute little place here. We got Heidi Klum here, taking one of the drinks that looks like the watermelon splash that we could have gotten. Who? Oh yeah, we got Salma Hayek right there. She thinks that I like Salma Hayek, and I mean she's pretty and all, but she's not as pretty as my Moog here. Moog's much prettier. J-Lo, Britney Spears. We loved your drink, Snoop Dogg. We got Zendaya up there when she was super young. She looks really young in that picture. Mario Lopez up there. Saved by the Bell, man. I've been on the Saved by the Bell marathon lately.
Hey, thanks. Have a good one.
Here's what I was talking about, the Sugar Factory outdoor seating now that's on Ocean Drive here. Like I said, they've converted this actual drive here to an actual outdoor seating because of COVID. So you can actually eat at the Sugar Factory outdoors. So we got some people eating outdoors. Cute little building here. Bon Air building here, Sugar Factory. Pretty cool. Hanging out here in front of the Sugar Factory. What'd you think overall of the Sugar Factory? What'd you think?
If I'm to be honest, 100% honest me, it was overpriced.
Well, I mean, everything in Miami is going to be
I
overpriced.
know, but the drinks were overpriced.
Overall, I liked the Sugar Factory. I thought the food was really good. We didn't end up getting dessert. We were going to get one, but I'm so full by the end of the food and the drink that I just couldn't get the dessert. Price-wise, the food I feel like was reasonable. The drink was overpriced in my opinion. I think there was maybe a couple of shots in the drink,
Yeah.
but I feel like it could have been more. But the flavor-wise was good. It was a cute experience. It was good.
Yeah.
I recommend going to the Sugar Factory.
Our waitress was really good.
Yeah, but I would probably get one of the cheaper drinks though, not
Yeah.
the $45 goblet drinks. I feel like the $24 drinks would have been just as good.
Yeah, maybe try the apple martini, sour apple martini.
Yeah.
I heard that was really good, and if I ever go back, I feel like I'll try the sour apple martini.
But the food was good.
Yeah.
I think definitely sharing like the drink plus the appetizer plus the meal and the dessert was the way to go.
Yeah, because I'm.
But overall, I mean, honestly, everything in Miami is super overpriced. So I don't feel like it was like ultra overpriced. It was like in line with how overpriced everything in Miami is. Food was decent. It was a fun experience, so I enjoyed it. So thanks for joining us. It's been a great time here in Miami. We're gonna head back to Orlando here and hit the Disney parks again. I'm excited. It's been a while. It's been a couple of days, so I'm excited to get back. Until then, thanks for joining us. The Noble Way.
It's the easy way.
Bye bye, everybody.